Finally getting our underglow installed. Got a guy at the cars here. So sa akin, V4 daw. Like this Z. Sheesh. Can't wait. Damn. Tapos na-recognize ako ng isa din. Crazy. Bro, ano name mo?
What's up, gang? James.
Kilala ko ni ano,
Ayun.
ni James. Nanonood ng kids. Subscribe ako. Matagal ka naman
Oo, ha?
Matagal mo lang ano. Naka-start ko lang last year.
Yeah, I think like what third video mo nakita ko.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Bro, that's last year.
I've been keeping up.
Nag-content ka rin. Nag-content ka rin.
Oh. Sa ako yung media sa page namin.
I see, I see. I see your post mo din ah. Ay, extender or battery? Ay, extender.
Battery.
Oh, battery. I see, I see. Wala akong ganyan. Say yung ano bro, yung
Yung Z yung sa akin.
oh, yung Z. Tama yung mga subscriber ko talaga yung mga ano eh. Yeah, I can't wait mine bro. Kasi green yung... Well, pwede man palit-palitin. Pero green yung bala ko. May mayat din pala ito. Tapos kahapon pala nagpa-try ako magpa-install ng ano caliper wrap na green, neon green. Pero hindi natuloy kasi ano eh. Mali daw yung material na binigay. Like, kailangan daw foil or something. You know that may kulay na sana sa akin. Sheesh. Pero okay lang kasi hindi ko rin masyadong trip talaga yung pagka-green nun. Hindi siya neon green. Yeah, I can't wait bro. Tapos meron din pala sa shop kanina na yung mechanic na naka-recognize din, nakapanood. Kilala niya daw siya, kaila Andre. 3 to 4 hours daw gagawin, so yeah. What the... Nah. Got racing sims? Bro. Beyblade. Sheesh. There's my car.
Forever love.
It's done. Oh. Sheesh. This is sick. Yeah. Damn, what the F? Oh, that's sick. Where is it?
Ito yung module niya.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So, when it stops working, usually ito yung first to check.
Okay.
It usually only happens if sumayad ka.
Sumayad.
Yeah.
Sakto pala pag nagpa-rollers na ako na ito. Naka-neon lights.
One time lang ito gagawin.
Yun na yun.
Yeah. So, yung version 4, more car-oriented talaga yung app.
Oo.
So, you have the cars. Whatever shows there, yun yung ilalabas sa car mo. One-to-one siya.
Right.
So, it gives you a visual perspective. Kasi yung previous version, walang card. So, to go solid colors, dito ka. So, pili ka lang. Then, this is music mode. Mamili ka lang ng settings dyan.
Okay.
Then, modes. You have 146 settings. So, mamili ka lang. So, let's say dito. This is brightness, speed. So, usually, I set it at 9.
Okay.
Ito yung color length. So, if you make it longer, hahaba yung color. If you make it shorter,
I see. Damn. So,
for black, green ka.
green na actually yung ano. Hindi talaga yung main ano ko eh. Ano to? Yun. Where's the green?
Prefer white light.
Yun. Sheesh. Ay, iba sa camera.
Ha?
Pero mas maganda sa personal. Oh my goodness. Ang pale sa camera. Pero ang ganda ng green. Sheesh. Ano ba ito yung ano? Ah, I see. This is sick. Ah, okay. Ibang colors na pag ano. Ah. Christmas. Dami, no? So talaga solid. Ano ba preset? Switch. I see. I love it. Green. Damn, that's sick.
May tawalit.
Tama.
Isa pa.
Malikot ka. Sa kabila ka. Tapos medyo. Gago.
Oh, sheesh.
Pag kami mag-chat FM.
Yep. Solid bro, thank you ah.
It's been a really, really fucked up day, okay? So I need you to open the door for me, okay? Can you open the door, please?
Alright boys. I'm just gonna grab a quick dinner. Kasi di pa ako makain. Wait, nag-lunch ba ako today? Hindi pala ako nag-lunch. Inom lang ang whey, tas yun yun. But, yeah. Sadly, wala pa akong rollers. Probably, try ko this week. Buzzer beater! Come on, bro. Bro. No. Why you gotta be so rude? Look at that, boy. Sheesh. So, I don't even know where I'm gonna eat, though. If I'm being for real, though. You know what I'm saying, though? E92? Wait. Do I know my cars? E92, I don't know. E90, E92. Let me know in the comments below. Sheesh. Damn, I look homeless, bro. Eh, mas okay ng homeless kaysa carless, diba? Yes, sir. Because you can live in a car. Can't raise a house, you know? But, pwedeng iwan daw yung, wait, papakita ko nga lang. Hold on, twin. Oh. Yan, pwede daw yan nakaiwan ng mga 3 hours at least. Ay, ano, the max pala. Sick. This shit is sick, bro. Damn. Bro, saan mo na-score steering wheel mo? Sa ano? OHC Motors. How's the gas consumption on the 2.080? Hindi ko rin alam eh. Hindi ko na kinalculate eh. Ay, hindi ko na kinompute eh. Hello brother, ask ko lang anong brand ng speakers yung kinabit. If may amplifier ka, what brand are you using? Total cost. Wala nga sa base, wala siyang base. So, wala siyang base. Tapos, amplifier. Nah. Pero JBL yung brand do. Cost is 11 ata o 14k. Hindi ko sure. Pa-black ceiling mo na yan bro. Oo nga eh. Gusto ko rin sana blackout yung interior. Pwede daw dun sa make store. But, let's see. So bro, ang ganda na ng spot mong Ferrari. 488. Oo nga eh. Ay, wait lang. Napasobra pala akong basa. Yo bro, ganda ng clear taillights mo ang forma. Pa-shoutout naman. Hey, shoutout Ram. Tatay nag-message sa IG, no? Yeah. After na ito, bounce na rin ako. But look at the yun though. Sheesh. Galaw ng table. What up, man? Anong gamit mong camera? Osmo 3. Sama ako next standby. Tara. Ba't lalaki na yung kadate mo, bro? Hey, it is what it is, bro. Shout out ka, nice content and nice car also. Sheesh, appreciate you, bro. Size ng pipings mo, tsaka may reso ba? Di ko alam yung specs actually, pero may reso pa. Yung sa akin. Ganda niyon. Yo, 2 beses na shoutout. Shoutout vlog, yeah. Brother, make the front end more slick. Get the MMC headlights. Even try to have a look at Jay's racing taillights. First, bro. Yeah. Appreciate all the comments so far. And new vid on the way. Buti lang, di na tuloy yung install ng caliper wrap. Di siya babagay sa green na neon green na to. Parang mas okay na walang caliper wrap, no? Kasi ipapaint ko kasi siya na neon green. Pero ewan ko daw. Let's see. Pero pogi pa rin siya regardless ng may caliper wrap na green or wala. Sheesh, when you step out that door. Bro, what? Bro, what? Sheesh. Hit ko lang ng backup thumbnail. Tapos, yes sir, let's do it. Damn, the camera ain't doing it justice, bro. I ain't gonna cap. Look easy, la biggie. Bro, this shit is so beautiful, my guy.
Oh, I got what you need and I kept telling baby get went there outside. Do what it is, I forgot the means, but the end of it is Malaki lang tingin sa baba dumi, bakit di mo masabihin alright? Meet me outside the club, 1,000 fuck shit up.